America just built the most extreme hybrid SUV on the planet, and it wears a Hummer badge that looks more like a warning than a logo. They call it the 2027 Hummer H4 Black Ops Hybrid, but what engineers secretly achieved under its armor could completely redefine what survival vehicles are supposed to be. Because this isn't just an SUV, it's a rolling fortress designed for a world where roads break, cities fail, and ordinary luxury SUVs would be useless in under an hour. And right from the first glance, the aggressive stance, blackout armor panels, and military-grade silhouette make one thing clear: this machine was not built to blend in. But here's where things get interesting, because underneath the familiar Hummer aggression, there's a hybrid system so advanced that it hides a secret power mode the company doesn't talk about publicly, and we'll reveal exactly what it does later in the video. Before we go deeper, if you're into insane concept SUVs and future tech like this, subscribe to the channel and drop a like so you don't miss what's coming next. Now, the H4 Black Ops Hybrid isn't just about brute force, it's about controlled chaos, powered by a next-gen dual hybrid V8 paired with silent electric crawl capability that lets it move like a ghost when needed. It can switch from silent infiltration mode to full torque overload in seconds, pushing out mind-bending acceleration for a vehicle its size, while still maintaining off-road dominance in terrain most SUVs wouldn't survive. And then comes the armor story, because this isn't ordinary bodywork, it's adaptive composite plating that reacts to impact, hardening instantly where it detects stress, almost like the vehicle is thinking for itself. But despite all this engineering madness, there's still one rumored flaw buried deep in its hybrid cooling system that could change everything about long-term survival use, and that's what we'll expose at the end. We first have to understand why GMC's engineers even pushed this platform into existence, because the demand for extreme civilian survival vehicles has exploded after years of climate disasters, power grid failures, and remote exploration missions becoming mainstream. So instead of building a simple off-road SUV, they built a machine that behaves like a modular survival system, capable of supporting off-grid living with onboard energy storage, water reclamation support, and battlefield-grade navigation redundancy. And inside the cabin, everything shifts from traditional luxury to mission-focused design, where seats are reinforced like tactical gear, and every display is engineered for survival decision-making rather than entertainment. This is where the H4 starts to separate itself from every other luxury SUV in the world, because it isn't trying to impress you in a showroom, it's trying to keep you alive when everything outside stops functioning. Now, remember that open loop from earlier, that hidden flaw everyone overlooks? Well, it isn't in the armor or the powertrain. It's in the thermal balancing of the hybrid system when pushed into extended high-load desert conditions, where performance stability begins to degrade faster than expected. That means under extreme heat, constant torque demand, and sustained off-road crawling, the system can struggle to maintain optimal energy distribution between electric and combustion components. And when that balance shifts even slightly, the H4 doesn't fail dramatically, but it slowly loses efficiency, reducing its silent mode range and forcing the V8 to compensate more aggressively. This is not a failure in the traditional sense, but in a vehicle designed to survive anything, even small inefficiencies become critical under prolonged mission use. And that's exactly why this rumored flaw matters, because it separates marketing fantasy from real-world survival engineering in one of the most aggressive SUVs ever created. We're talking about a machine that looks unstoppable on paper, yet in real-world extreme testing scenarios, every system is pushed to its absolute limit, revealing how even the most advanced hybrid architecture has boundaries. And that's what makes the H4 Black Ops Hybrid so fascinating, because it isn't just a car, it's a glimpse into the future of survival mobility, where luxury, power, and resilience collide in ways we've never seen before. And whether this platform becomes the new benchmark for military-inspired civilian SUVs or remains a bold experiment in hybrid survival engineering will depend entirely on how it performs when pushed beyond controlled environments and into the unpredictable extremes of the real world, where reputation is not built in marketing rooms but earned through endurance, failure resistance, and the ability to keep moving when everything else stops.